This is how to transfer a domain name from GoDaddy to Hostinger. So before we start, a couple of things that you need to know. First, you need to have an account and be signed in to both Hostinger and GoDaddy. And second, your domain name must be older than 60 days. If both of these are done, then let's sign in to both Hostinger and GoDaddy. So I'll quickly do that. And now that's done. Here I'm signed into GoDaddy and here Hostinger. So now come back to GoDaddy since we want to transfer from here to Hostinger, and then come to the domain that you want to transfer. So click on your account name on the top right and select My Products. And here you'll find all of your domain names. So select the one which you want to transfer. And once you're here, click on Domain that's on the left. So this is the domain page, and over here select Registration Settings. Then scroll down and you'll find this option called Transfer. So to a transfer there are always two things. One is the domain lock and second is the authorization code. So first we have to unlock the domain, and to do this just click on this. Here they're asking you again if you want to do it. Click on OK. And below select the second option since we aren't transferring to GoDaddy. Then over here click on Continue and just click on this option to see the authorization code. So this is our code, and now select Copy to Clipboard. So everything is done on GoDaddy, and let's head over to Hostinger. So here I've come to Hostinger, and make sure you've come to this URL hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're here, select Domains and then select Transfers. Then here click on Transfer to Hostinger. After that, type in the domain name that you want to transfer. Click on Transfer. And here they're saying the domain is ready for transfer, and this is because we've unlocked it. Then this is the price you'll have to pay, and this includes a year of renewal. So here they've given all the details that after the transfer, your domain will expire on this date. If you're sure you want to do this, click on Purchase. Click on Complete Payment. And you'll have to make the payment from here. So I'm currently not doing it, but once you make the payment, you will get an option to add the authorization code. So just paste that. We had copied it earlier from GoDaddy, and you'll have to paste it here. And once that is done, within 5 to 7 days, your domain name will get transferred. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.